And thank you, viewers and lurkers alike. I'm Muse, and this is Tech Deals. Today I'll be unboxing an ASUS TUF Gaming AMD Radeon RX 6700 XT graphics card. This here is a Navi 22 XT GPU, meaning it was built with the RDNA 2 architecture and 7nm process. It's packing ray tracing, 12 gigs of GDDR6 memory on a 192-bit bus, 1 HDMI and 3 display ports, and claiming a 2418 MHz base clock and 2622 MHz boost clock. So let's open it up and see what else it has in store for us. Today's video is brought to you by us in support of YouTube Premium. Premium removes ads from YouTube, allows background play on mobile devices, allows for easy downloads for offline watching, and provides YouTube Music Premium. More details after this video. It appears to be good quality packaging with tons of information, including a 3-year limited warranty, your minimum system requirements, and the ports. Would actually be really nice if it listed the actual measurements of the card in case you were trying to fit it into a specific build. This one is 12.7 inches, but you can find the RX 6700 XT in other variants as small as 9 inches. The box feels more plasticky than cardboard actually, which is pretty nice, but hopefully they packed the GPU inside it really well. Okay, all right. Would you... I'd say they packed it well. Aha! Ha ha. But it feels like it should open this direction, so I'm gonna flip it back over and finish what I was doing there. Haha! Smooth, first try. Okay, let's see here. Does it open this direction? Of course it does. ASUS, in search of incredible. Oh, let's see if they found it. Let's just see, shall we? Oh. Okay. Let's see what we have here. This looks like a graphics card. But first, there's other stuff in the box. So let's just set this aside just for a moment. Let's see what other goodies they left for us here under the graphics card. I think this is it. Okay, all right. So here we have... Da-na-na, da-na-na-na-na. On our epic journey. Let's see. That's not in English. Thank you for purchasing an ASUS graphics card. You're welcome. Each ASUS graphics card is meticulously crafted and thoroughly tested to deliver the quality you expect from a premium product. We hope you enjoy your purchase. All right. And then there's a website for downloading, your drivers and software. So there we go. And certificate of reliability. Isn't that cute? Got your capacitor information here. Alrighty. We have a collector's card. Looky there, our TUF Gaming collector's card. Fun. All right. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 different languages. Just in case. All right, got our card installation walkthrough and all that fun stuff. This one didn't give us a cute little dragon comic book. Okay, that's fine, that's fine. I didn't need that or anything. Because of the shortages, they're really taking advantage of making these packages less entertaining. Now that I think about it, I'm actually kind of proud of that. That's a good thing. Spend less work on a comic book and more work on making us more GPUs. Yeah, that's actually fair. That's fair. Okay, we don't really need the box anymore, so I'm gonna put this to the side. I'm sure you're fine with that, because we're all here to see this bad boy, aren't we? Okay. Okay, gently. Put it this way just for a moment. The stickiest tape in the world. we get to peel. Yes. Okay. It was perforated, so it didn't get the whole thing, so I tried. Beautiful. So maybe it's the black metals, but the design running the edge reminds me of a firearm accessory rail. So you'll see this design edging here. That's definitely where you would like mount your sights or something on a gun. Combining the geometric and high tech with the stealth and sharp designs makes this thing look like a weapon. But hey, depending on your game of choice, that may be exactly what you're looking for. Pew pew! Pew pew! Just kidding. Of course, the RGB it's packing can tone that back down or kick it up a notch depending on the settings you choose. The color was selected so that it would match with any build well, and the RGB certainly helps with that. The fan design has been upgraded with additional fan blades, bringing it to 13 on the inside fan and 11 on the outside fans, providing additional static pressure and sending more air directly to the heat spreader. And the rotations being opposite of each other helps to reduce turbulence. To reduce noise, the fans only run when the system gets over 60 degrees Celsius and shut off when it drops under 55 degrees Celsius. The dual ball fan bearings can last up to twice as long as the previous sleeve bearing designs, and a vented backplate helps prevent hot air from recirculating through the cooling array. They've flattened the heat spreader on the microscopic level to help with thermal transfer, but it is also a 2.9 slot design to offer more cooling surface area headroom. So again, you'll want to make sure your build offers enough space for it. While the all-aluminum shroud, reinforced frame, and metal backplate make it quite heavy, they do provide durability. Robust military-grade capacitors were selected for the card's power design, and hopefully the stainless steel for the I/O bracket to protect ports can provide a more secure mount that prevents some of the eventual sag. This dual BIOS switch on the back here allows customization of the card's default performance profile without software, and the ASUS GPU Tweak 2 allows you to alter parameters including GPU core clocks, memory frequency, and voltage settings while monitoring everything with an on-screen display. There's another peel. Woo! So far, in all of the benchmarks done, this card sits between the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 in performance. Its MSRP is set at $479 compared to the 3060 Ti at $399 and the 3070 at $499. But with the current shortage, I wish you the best of luck in finding any of them at those prices. Well, that's pretty much all the basis for this new GPU, but if I missed anything or if you have any questions about it, please let me know down in the comment section below. And of course, be on the lookout for reviews and benchmarks soon. You know what to do. Like this video if you like it, share it with your friends, subscribe if you haven't, click the bell so you don't miss out on future content. Thoughts, comments, feedback, and suggestions, hit me with your best shot down below. I'm going to be optimistic and include the Amazon, eBay, and Newegg links. Those are affiliate links, and using them helps our channel at no additional cost to you. I wish you the best of luck out there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. YouTube Premium is, to put it simply, awesome. We have been paying customers since the day it launched as YouTube Red a few years ago and haven't seen an ad on YouTube since. We get it, no one actually likes ads, but we also love to watch our favorite content. However, it's not reasonable to directly support every creator directly either. Enter YouTube Premium, the one-stop shop for supporting everyone with a single low monthly payment. The way it works is pretty simple. You sign up and the majority of your monthly payment goes to the creators you watch, divided by your watch time. Watch one creator more than another? They get a larger cut. The benefits don't stop there. You can listen to the audio of videos on mobile devices while having the screen blanked out. You can download videos for offline viewing, and you get a YouTube Music Premium sub to allow for interruption-free music listening. The price varies by country. It starts at $11.99 a month in the US, and there is also a family plan for $8 a month more that allows for 6 people to share a single membership in your household. If you are outside the US, check your local price using our link in the video description.